Today, we are here to present a dialogue in the form of conversation.
Yes, we are gonna talk about a fascinating topic in this fast-paced world. And the topic is something that most of the people have probably experienced once in their life, but they're still unaware of it, what it actually. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This is Saira Sabine.
And this is Sayyida Varisha Bukhari. Today, we are here to present a dialogue in the form of conversation.
Yes, we are gonna talk about a fascinating topic in this fast-paced world. And the topic is something that most of the people have probably experienced once in their life, but they're still unaware of it, what it actually is.
So, before revealing today's topic, let me raise a simple question to all of you guys. Have you ever heard the phrase deja vu? Yes or no? Okay. Have you ever experienced the moment in which you felt like what is happening right now has already happened before in the past?
I think there are.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. So, today I'll explain what deja vu really is and what can we understand it. So, deja vu is a French phrase which means already seen. It literally describes the strange feeling that sometimes we feel that what is happening right now has already happened before in the past. So, about this topic, deja vu, I want to ask Saira a couple of questions. That what do you think, that is deja vu just an illusion or something else?
First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts. In my opinion, deja vu is a real feeling, but it is probably caused by the brain. Scientists believe it happens when brain mistakenly thinks like that is when brain mistakenly thinks new experience that already happened. So I think it is a mental illusion, not a supernatural event.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you think? Does everyone experience deja vu or not?
No, not everyone experiences deja vu, but majority of the people, around 60 to 70%, have experiences it at least once in their life. It is more common in teenager and young adults. Okay. I want to ask a few questions from you.
Sure.
Okay, Varisha, tell me, what do you think about it? Does
Yes, how long?
Okay, Varisha, tell me, what do you think about is like how does deja vu experiences last?
Usually, deja vu lasts for a few seconds and then disappear by its own.
Okay, should we be worried if we experiences deja vu?
In most cases, it's completely normal and harmless, but if it happens frequently, along with other unusual symptoms like seizures, blackout, memory loss, then it's important to consult a doctor. And with that, it brings us to an end of our dialogue, and we hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new about deja vu. Thank you all.